Hello friends, today I am going to discuss a very interesting topic of computer science. Rather, we can say a revolutionary invention of computer science, and that is ChatGPT. So, what ChatGPT is? ChatGPT is Chat Generative Pre-trained Transformer, an artificial intelligence chatbot developed by OpenAI and launched on November 30, 2022. Successive prompts and replies are taken into account at each stage of the conversation as a context. Its stable release actually happened on May 24, 2023, means this year, May 24. It is written in Python and it runs in cloud computing platforms. By January 2023, it had become the fastest growing consumer software application in history, gaining over 100 million users and contributing to OpenAI's valuation growing to 29 billion US dollar. ChatGPT is built upon GPT 3.5 and GPT 4 from OpenAI's proprietary series of foundational GPT models. OpenAI collects data from ChatGPT users to train and fine-tune the service further. And now we are going to discuss its features. Although the core function of a chatbot is to mimic a human conversationalist, ChatGPT is versatile. Among countless examples, it can write and debug computer programs, compose music, teleplays, fairy tales and student essays, answer test questions, sometimes depending on the test at a level above the average human test taker, generate business ideas, write poetry and song lyrics, translate and summarize text, emulate a Linux system, simulate entire chat rooms, play games like tic-tac-toe or simulate an ATM. Then coming to its limitations. Of course, it has certain number of limitations, and those are: OpenAI acknowledges that ChatGPT sometimes writes plausible sounding but incorrect or nonsensical answers. This behavior is common to large language models and is called hallucination. The reward model of ChatGPT, designed around human oversight, can be over optimized and thus hinder performance in an example of an optimization pathology known as Goodhart's law. ChatGPT has limited knowledge of events that occurred after September 2021. In May 2023, OpenAI launched an iOS app for ChatGPT. The app supports chat history, syncing, and voice input. Using Whisper, OpenAI's speech recognition model, OpenAI plans to release an Android app later. And now I will show you how to log in on ChatGPT by using Google Chrome browser. So first of all, on the browser, we will write ChatGPT login. Then we will go to this link, chat.openai.com. So this is the official site of ChatGPT. So welcome to ChatGPT. Login in with your OpenAI account to continue. So as I already have logged in with ChatGPT, so I will continue with my email address. This is the official chat page of ChatGPT. So here you can see that what kind of things we can search. Like example, explain quantum computing in simple terms. I got any creative ideas for a 10 years old's birthday, and like its capabilities, and they are showing its limitations also. like it may occasionally generate incorrect information, may occasionally produce harmful instructions or biased content, it has limited knowledge of world and events after 2021, as I already discussed. Here I will write my query to ChatGPT. So my first query will be, write a Java code for palindrome number check. So we can see ChatGPT within a second that returned with its answers. Here is the Java code for the whether a given number is a palindrome or not. You can copy the code and run in your machine to check the output. And here is the explanation of that coding also. It's very much useful for the coders. This is the answer of ChatGPT. Now I am going to give again a query for ChatGPT, write an application for closure of my bank account. So you can see sometimes it gives an incorrect answer. See, here I have just written write an application for closure of my bank account, but ChatGPT has come with a Java code for the bank account application closure. You can see that sometimes it can give a wrong explanation too. Here you need to mention to ChatGPT that not a Java code but a simple official application to close my bank account. You can see that I apologize for the confusion. Here is an example of simple official application letter to close a bank account, and you can use this as a template. This is the application. You can write according to this format, so it will be helpful. Hope I have made you understood what ChatGPT is and its features and its limitations also. Hope this video was helpful to you, and for this kind of informative videos and my other subjective lectures, stay connected with this channel and subscribe, and always press the bell icon to get updated.